back here with another Blizzy, man. You know how we back here with another Blizzy.
Back outside the vlog.
Back outside, man. You feel me? It's Blizzy. Blizzy with another Blizzy, man.
Blizzy with
gas
another
station
what?
run.
Is that nigga with another Blizzy?
With another Blizzy. I got buttons. We got buttons. We got buttons. We got buttons.
Sunday what?
Sunday fun day, man.
Hey, Buggy Swim?
It's Sunday fun day, you know what I mean?
It ain't fucking with you, yo.
No, that's
Yeah,
how
my
we
man's
supposed to
really
live.
touch chicken for real, nigga.
What you know about this nigga?
You get paid for real. We touching paper out here,
yeah.
man. You know how we get. We touching paper.
What you mean?
No beer, bro.
Slow motion equal no motion. Wait, what?
It's not beer.
Huh?
He said no beer?
No beer. You cannot buy.
It's not beer.
We don't drink
What's
beer.
that?
A lemonade.
Lemonade beer.
It's a mic.
That's a mic, man. No
Yeah,
beer after
beer.
6.
It's not beer.
It's beer family.
It's not
Beer and wine. No.
Oh no.
We cannot.
Even if we're over 21?
That's Sunday. We cannot sell.
Oh shit. Shawty gonna let
When
me
they start doing that?
Sunday after 6 we cannot.
When they start doing that?
Always.
always. You can't sell that to you, Tom.
Sunday from 10 to 6 only.
Sunday fun day, though.
Huh?
Sunday fun day. What you know about Sunday fun day?
I'm gonna get his ass. I missed it on Nate's shit. You gonna see the interaction and that shit. But
I'm gonna need something to chill on.
you gonna see, I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna troll this and I'm gonna troll this nigga.
So what would you recommend for on a Monday? What would you get? Would you get a type of beer?
That's what you like.
I know that's what I'm asking you.
Not every year.
You don't drink beer. You drink liquor and shit like that. You get
I
sad.
will take maybe. Depends if you like the sweet stuff. It's take one day. I cannot remember. It's tropical flavor.
I wasn't down bad. I was fucked up. I wasn't broke. I was fucked up.
On 2 cameras, you see how I am, bro.
And y'all finna get behind the scenes, nigga, Nate shit
No
too.
bullshit,
Y'all gonna
behind
see
the
some
scenes,
unreleased
bro.
shit, nigga.
Or at least behind the scenes. Y'all lock in Untouchable Tie right now.
We got buns.
You see this fuck ass car right here? Niggas think he's me. Weak ass on the nigga.
Make money and pray.
Everywhere, social media platform, YouTube, I'm here.
We're collabing with my boy Ty. I feel if you haven't tapped in yet, go tap into Untouchable Ty's channel, where he does days in the life of like rappers, like influencers, all types of people he does days in the life with. Today I'm gonna help him out, you feel me? I'm gonna be behind his camera today. He's doing, I forgot who's he's doing a day in life with, but we gonna figure that out when we tap in with him. I'm driving over there right now. I'm like 20 minutes, you feel me? We gonna tap in with my boy T. We gonna get shit active today. I think we're going to Supercharge, and we got a studio session later tonight, man. So if you haven't already, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, bro. I need y'all to smash that like button. Leave a comment how you feel about this video and what type of videos y'all want to see from me and all that type of stuff. Don't forget to subscribe too, you feel me? Summer 2025, man. I know I've been saying it a lot, but we really going crazy this summer, man. We really going crazy this summer. I got mad shit in the vault that I haven't posted yet, but best believe I'm gonna get them out. I just dropped today, you feel me? Go tap into today's channel. I think I just dropped episode 2 No cap. I dropped episode 2 of the side quest series. So y'all go tap into that, go like, go show love to that video, man. And I got episode 3 that I'm editing right now. Well, not right now, but like I got it in the vault. I'm working on it right now, working on the edits and shit. But that's gonna be dropping real soon. And I'm recording episode 4. So I'm telling y'all, man, we on go, man. We on go real hard. Make sure y'all lock in, cause y'all not gonna wanna miss what we got in store. But I'm gonna catch y'all in the next clip, man. Hope y'all fuck with me as much as I'm fucking with y'all. Let's get it, man. Let's go. Cameraman Nizzy behind the cam, you feel me? Behind 2 cams, on my cam and Untouchable's cam. If y'all not tuned in with my boy Untouchable Ty yet, make sure y'all go fuck with my boy. Go show his channel some love, cause I'm recording his next video, man. You know, if I'm behind the camera, that shit's definitely a movie. No cap. Make sure y'all like and comment, subscribe with my video too, bro. Show me some love as well, man. But you feel me? We out here. You see where we at, man. We're gonna make a movie tonight. No cap. I think after this, we about to hit the studio. So make sure y'all watch the full video to see the studio vlog or the studio session. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the studio session. I'm gonna get back on this shit, man. Cameraman Dizzy out. Little arcade things, man. I can try. We just having fun with it, man. Life's about having fun, enjoying the little things, the relaxing things in life, man. Don't stress too much, bro. Enjoy life. You only live once, bro. Just live it like you live twice, like I say, man. But we out here, man. Make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe. That grind never stop. That hustle never stop, bro. Keep on hustling, you'll make it out too, bro. Real spill. Stay consistent, keep your head down, bro. And stay up, bro. You're gonna come up, bro. Slow motion is better than no motion, no matter what, man. You feel me?
Oh my god.
Oh, that's broken. That's I ain't gonna do my game like that. Hold on. When it start? Hold on, wait. Oh, no, but that was oh, it's working out. Nah, that shit. Kick it.
Nigga said kick it, bro.
Yo, T, I gotta see that. You be talking mad shit, I gotta see that. The YouTuber's about to go. It don't matter about the sports one.
Don't matter. Go ahead, bro. Get crazy.
So much you do to them.
See? Oh shit. Okay. So niggas just don't know how to punch that. That shit work then. Niggas just don't know how to punch. Yo.
I thought they had a 3. I was like, ah, shit. What you about to get? What you about to get, bro? You gotta get like 800 minimum. Oh shit! Oh shit! Why you hit him like that, bro? He's like,
Going crazy.
get all that out. That's you? You need me to hold anything for you?
Oh!
You stopped right when he touched it. You should keep going. Keep going. There was no fall.
can't do it. I'm gonna bury myself on YouTube. Can't do that one. You gotta hit him with a. They get me excited. I might want to go too.
Nah, I'm not.
Yo, imagine. Don't go back. Get that nigga. Oh shit, he ready. Oh, the pants up? I'm trying to hit this nigga.
Oh!
He's watching. You got a crowd now. Let me see some.
I like that one.
Okay.
I like that one though.
Ah!
Oh
my God.
Oh, that's broken. That's I ain't gonna do my game like that. Hold on. When it start? Hold on, wait. Oh, no, but that was Oh, it's working out. Nah, that shit. You kick it.
Nigga said kick it, bro.
Yo, T, I gotta see that. You be talking mad shit. I gotta see that. The YouTuber's about to go. Yo, it don't matter about the sports one.
Don't matter. Go ahead, bro. Get crazy.
So much you do to them.
See?
Oh, that shit worked.
Oh shit. Okay. So niggas just don't know how to punch that. That shit worked. That niggas just don't know how to punch.
He needs get back.
Yo.
I thought they had a 3. I was like, shit. What you about to get? What you about to get, bro? You gotta get like 800 minimum. Oh shit! Oh shit! Why you hit him like that, bro? He's like, damn shit!
Going crazy.
Get all that out. That's you? You need me to hold anything for you?
Oh!
You stop right when he touched it. You should keep going. Keep going. I can't do it. I'm gonna bury myself on YouTube. Can't do that one. You gotta hit him with a. They get me excited. I might want to go too.
Nah, I'm not.
Yo, imagine. Don't go back. Get that nigga. Oh shit, he ready. Oh, the pants up? I'm trying to hit this nigga.
Oh!
He's watching. You got a crowd now. Let me see some.
I like that one.
Okay.
I like that one though.
Ah!
Make sure if y'all haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, man. Put in that work, put in that thing, put in that effort for y'all, man. I'm talking about consistent. Every day I'm working, bro. I know I've been slacking with posting, but like, I haven't been in both. Trust and believe I have everything in I'm both right now. You just gotta get edited, you just gotta get professionalized. I perfected so I can focus. Feel me? I lost my train of thought. Yeah, hopefully I don't get copyrighted too, but y'all hear the music loud as hell. I'll catch y'all in the next step.
No cap. We got quite honor.
You slide with me. You ain't gotta play the hide and seek. Tell her to stand on it. I put my mans on it. Last nigga talking in the room, can't whip a band out. And I'ma tell her she ugly so I can stand out. And if my nigga hates, then I'll be Mitch, I help my mans out. No cap, remember we was broke, we had them cans out. Damn, bitch, I think you could come fix my anxiety. I'm tryna go and take a trip, like could you fly with me? Big body, pull up to your crib, like could you slide with me? It's 10 down, so you don't gotta play the hide and seek. Bad bitch, she told me that she love me till her stand out. She looking good, she got a friend, I put my man. I'm tired of all these niggas acting like they something that they not. That's my buddy get that mix, I told him throw him in that pot. I'm trying to get his money. I'm tired of all these niggas acting like they something that they not. That's my buddy get that mix, I told him throw him in that pot. I'm trying to get his money quick. Going fast, don't spend a lot. So buddy chill, he ain't no strikers trying to go and hit your top. This badass bitch, she in my phone, she like, damn, I miss you, baby. Be quick, going fast, don't spend a lot. So buddy chill, he ain't no strikers trying to go and hit your top. This badass bitch, she in my phone, she like, damn, I miss you, baby. We been chillin', getting money, lately ballin' with my team. Yo, Brody hit my phone, like, what's the word? You want this baby? Was on that back, round 7, getting cash. It's the new one with the 2 little tacos, bro.
Nigga said snack break, gotta get the eats, bro. You know me, little wings and fries is all I need, bro.
Yeah,
Real shit.
Some
fried chicken and fries, bro. I'm good.
Bro, you do any favor, you.
Ain't that at Popeyes?
I'm gonna talk about it.
Oh, I thought they went to Popeyes. Damn.
They don't got that in the box? Hell yeah, nigga. Fuck with Twitch, bro. You, Tyson, nigga, get on that Twitch. All y'all niggas, bro.
Nah, that Twitch shit is where it's at, bro. Everyone's talking. The thing is, though, right now, is that so many people's on that. If you don't already have your audience, bro,
you gotta get your fan base.
it's just gonna take time, but like, you just really gotta put in the hours in for real.
You gotta strategize.
Yeah, real spell.
It's a real. I'm about to say, it's not like you could just put. You could just stream any. You ain't listening. They ain't listening. They ain't bitching. So ain't no need for no switches. We do our hours. They ain't listening. You didn't bring with you? The host can bring. So ain't no need for no switch. We ride around with big chops, you know the shit that sits you down for Sony. We been fucking with the camp boys, like shit they wanna won. 4 years, not fucking 4 years. Little bitch, I wanna die. Ain't even put my all into that grind, but I still fucking won. Ain't got my nigga back up in the booth like shit we activate. I got your bitch, she all up on my jack and her walls breaking. We popped out, did that one move, and now they all fake. I told them keep going with that shit, and then we all. It's the right time. Got a cougar bitch tryna fuck me in a nightgown. They spit the bullshit, I don't need it. I done told that bitch I don't need him. I don't like a simple bitch, I like demons. Cold ass nigga, little bitch, I'm a demon. I ain't fucking with the bitch, she basic. I'm the type of bitch, game, don't say shit. I'm the white and brown, I ain't racist. Bitch keep looking at the pills, tell her take it. I been trapping, I'm getting this green. Little bitch told me I'm addicted. My niggas keep sipping that lean. So my nigga is fucking his kidneys. I'm that nigga in my hood, all the kids love me. Just like I got a show on Disney. I be straight with the shit, get straight to the business. Told the little hoe, don't kiss me. Yeah, nigga run up bags, this little shit get addicted. In the store, we popping all the tags. Say fuck the price, no tripping. Double back on 50 on them pros. I gotta get my dick. My young nigga, he tryna pop and top. Then take a trip, go missing. On that road, just riding dirty, but I made it home safe. On the back end, said that shit feel like you hit the home base. Little bitch, she tryna give it up. I want the whole face. It's like 100 nigga for that bill. I need that whole plate. Come on. Bitch, I'm on that shit.